Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be talking about this little guy, the Boya M1 Pro lavalier microphone. I got it about 2 weeks ago for about 20 bucks on sale, and it usually retails for about 28 bucks, and the non-pro version retails for about 18 bucks. But I think it's way worth it to upgrade to the pro version for just 10 bucks extra to get a lot of upgrades, especially in the audio department, which the microphone is all about. You will definitely hear a difference when you hear the non-pro version and the pro version side by side. You also get a few new features like this dB switch, which goes from 0 dB to minus 10 dB. Probably asking when you should use the minus 10 dB. You use that when you go into a crowded area, at a gathering, at an event, or something similar. You just use it to mute the people around you, so the microphone picks up more of your voice, and you want that. You want the audience to hear you, not the people around you. But if you're talking in a group setting and you actually want to hear the other people, you turn it back to 0 dB and everything is completely fine and you can hear everyone in the group. Then the M1 Pro also gets an audio jack, which is pretty good when you're on the move and you don't want to listen to a recorded audio and video on your phone or on your camera. You can just plug your headphones straight into the microphone itself and you can listen through it right away. So the microphone itself comes with a few accessories in the box, like this little adapter going from 3.5mm into 6.3, which is used for advanced audio equipment. Also comes with this little snap to make it way easier to snap onto your t-shirt or your jacket. Then they also include this little foam windshield so you sound better in worse environments. And to hold all of your accessories together, they include this little bag, so you can just throw them right in and hold them together and don't lose them. But unfortunately, if you want, like me, to record on a phone, well, you will have to get a dongle yourself because they don't include any of that in the package. But I think it's absolutely worth it to upgrade from your regular microphone on your phone to this specialized lavalier microphone because it sounds way better, and you will see in the later comparisons in this video. Like the main upgrade that I'm getting currently is just the distance I can be from the camera itself. Because as you've seen in my previous videos, the maximum distance I can stand away from the camera and you can still hear me is about 2 meters. But now when I have this lavalier microphone, I can just go far away. This microphone has a 6-meter long cable, which just gives me the ability to move much more freely around, and I can actually describe things around me, so you can expect some more outdoor videos. I know what you're thinking, there's probably some fiddling around with the 6-meter long cable, and it's just a hassle. Yeah, it is sometimes. But you have to remember it's a $20 microphone. You're getting really good audio quality for the 20 bucks you spend. I think if you're a starting YouTuber, this is one of the best upgrades you could possibly do to your videos, because audio is like 70% of your video. So if you're thinking about upgrading your microphone and your camera, I would probably go for the microphone first and then upgrade the camera. And this is pretty much what I will do. So this is my microphone upgrade, and later on I will also upgrade my camera so you have better visuals. Okay, so to not bore you anymore with all of my talking, let's get to the comparisons. This is a recording of the Boya M1 Pro lavalier microphone inside. This is a recording of my phone microphone inside. Okay, so this is a recording of my phone microphone outside in the rain. Okay, so this is a recording of the M1 Pro lavalier microphone outside in the rain. Okay, so this is gonna be it for today, and if you have any more questions or thoughts, leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!